Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Huda Beauty has been at it again. Girl has been working hard in that factory, boy, and she has brought out the Haze collection. I mean, I love these mini eyeshadow palettes. They're always so sturdy, so much variety, and there's always a mirror in there, so really great to travel with. But I'm just going to quickly show you. So there is the Sand Haze palette, and then we have Purple Haze, and then obviously Khaki Haze, which is the one that I've used and butchered all in a day. I just absolutely love these. I've decided to go for Khaki today because I feel like I never really do Khaki, and the shades in the Sand Haze and Purple Haze eyeshadow palettes are really unique and different, but still, I mean, we've done some of this before, okay? We've done a bit of it before, I'm not gonna lie. But Khaki, we've not really done much of here on this channel or just in general. So yeah, wanted to do something a little bit different today. So if you wanna know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the family, and also hit the like button because it really does help your girl out. So yeah, enjoy the video. Eyes are prepped with a little bit of P. Louise base, and I'm gonna go in to the Huda Beauty Khaki Haze palette, which I am pretty much obsessed with. These shades are just absolutely stunning. You don't normally see like a deep khaki like that. I don't know, for me it's nice. And also this kind of gold but khaki color, I just love it. Really nice palette. I mean, let's get it on and then we'll see. I am gonna start with this shade right here. Classic, nice, warm brown. We're just gonna take this through the crease. I love these little mini palettes. Like, you know when you need to travel somewhere, you don't wanna be carrying your big palettes and like tons of them either. If you carry a few or even one or two of these little palettes, which are very sturdy, they're not them like cardboard ones or whatever, you're sorted. I just absolutely love it. Okay, pigment is amazing, and also the blend is really nice too. I feel like these shades in this khaki palette are perfect for kind of this time of year as well. And then we're gonna go into this khaki shade right here in the middle, and I'm just gonna pat this on all the way across my eye. And it's a proper deep khaki. Kind of reminds me of henna, like Mendi. Proper like Mendi shade. You know the natural henna that you get? It really looks like that. And then of course, just go ahead and blend that out as well. It's like a nice alternative to a black smoky eye, but I feel like this looks, not gonna lie, a little bit boring at this stage. And then just to kind of spice things up a little bit, I'm gonna go into my Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, and I'm gonna go into this khaki shade here. That is more like a greeny, sparkly khaki in comparison to this matte version that we've got on our eyes right now. So just to kind of bring it out, I've got like a damp synthetic brush, and I'm just gonna pat this right over, but in the center, just to add some dimension, but also to bring out the khaki tones. So just kind of spotlighting right in the center of the eye. And it doesn't have to be crazy intense. It's literally just needs to be something in the center to kind of catch the eye and take it right up to the crease. There's like so many different versions of khaki, and the one in Huda's palette is nice and deep. And I think on brown skin, it looks a bit more like a greeny brown rather than a really like clear khaki. I think maybe on a lighter skin, it will look like a true khaki shade, but I feel on my skin tone, it just looks more brown. But when I put this kind of greeny khaki over it, it really does bring out the khaki shade in the matte eyeshadow. And just to add a little bit of something, I'm gonna go into Trophy Wife by Fenty, because this is like a beautiful gold, and really just hit it in the center. It's a greeny gold, I think, and it just pops. It makes the greeny khaki pop even more. I feel like everything I'm doing is I'm like layering each shadow on to make the shadow before make its color come out even more. It just looks so much more vibrant, like right in the center. So then I'm gonna go in with a new favorite product of mine. Honestly, it's insane. It's the Eylure Line and Lash, and basically it's a liner and lash glue in one. So I'm just gonna create like a nice wing liner with this, starting off in the middle of my eye and working out to the wing, and then making sure everything is joined up. And I'm just gonna make sure I go over it like 2 to 3 times, so the lashes that I'm going to apply and any lashes can stick on. Okay guys, liner is on, and I'm going in with these Girlz on Tour lashes. These are by Summer and Safia, and I've known them for a long time. Summer I actually go way back with. We used to work in MAC together, which is really cute. These are a brown girl brand. I'm here for it. I am so here for it. So yeah, super proud. Okay guys, so with that line and lash glue, I don't need to put any glue on my falsies, so I will just go straight in. I forgot mascara. Let me real quick get some mascara on first. I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs one. I really love this mascara. It's so good. I feel like recently there's been loads of new mascaras out on the market, and I've been trying quite a few. So let me know if you want me to do like a dedicated video just for mascaras. Okay, so let's stick the lashes back on with no glue on the actual lash itself. Oh my God, see? The lash line is tacky, and that's really literally it. I just need to adjust. Honestly, if you struggle with putting lashes on, you need the Eyelaw Line and Lash. Like, I'm not joking. And these lashes are freaking amazing as well. Oh my God. You literally just have to place any lash onto the liner and it goes. Okay, so we're gonna take that matte khaki shade from Huda's palette, and we're just gonna run that along the lower lash line just to finish off the eyes. And I'm taking it like not too far down, but a little bit far down, just because I want this to be like smoky and sultry. This is like a khaki brown mixed with green, this shade. And then I'm going to take that first brown shade that we used in the crease and just run that along the edge just to soften and blend that all out. Guys, I'm so annoyed. I accidentally dug my whole nail into this eyeshadow right here. But, okay, ignore that. We're going to take this one, and I'm just going to take it on a small brush right here and get that on the inner corners. Just a nice little touch right here. And this is really nice and pigmented, and I haven't even like made the brush damp, so that's nice. And then I'm going to go into Huda Beauty's Life Liner pencil and just run that along the lower lash line. It needs some extra drama, and I'm going to let that kohl pencil just run along like over the lash line as well, just so it's thicker, and we can use a pencil brush to smudge and blend that out into the khaki. This is one of my favorite black pencils ever because it really does stay put. I feel like Huda Beauty makeup is like the kind of makeup you wear when you're going somewhere and you don't want your makeup to budge, like not even a smidge. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my makeup, but I might as well just do it on camera and do it with you guys. So I haven't actually applied any highlighter or blush just yet, so I'm gonna do that now. Highlighter I'm using is the Huda Beauty Nymph All Over Highlighting Powder. This is freaking huge. Like, I swear it's nearly as big as my head. And okay, I know I have a pea head, but still, this is massive. I feel like I've already messed up that rose kind of pattern in here. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna get this on at the top of my cheekbones and just slowly build it up. It's so pretty, honestly. Love this highlighter. And then also just take some in the center of my head. Cupid's bow and chin, you know the drill, you know the drill. And just gonna take some of this down the center of my nose as well. Oh, the tip of the nose, it just brings it all to life for me. I just love it. And then for blusher, let me know, am I rinsing it? Am I rinsing it? Because I feel like I am, but I love it. I'm using my Patrick Tar blusher in the shade She's Sincere, and it's just such a nice pinky peach tone, so complimentary to like literally every single makeup look. It reminds me of MAC Melba, but just maybe even a little bit more pigmented, and I really love it. And then it's only right for the lip, we do a bit of a Huda Beauty lip. So I'm gonna go in with Flirt lip contour, and I'm just taking that all the way around my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with the lipstick in the shade Anniversary, which honestly, Huda Beauty lipsticks are to die for. If you haven't tried them, they are so smooth. And then I just have to finish it off with a little bit of gloss. And I'm trying this new one by Morphe from the Madison Beer collection in the shade Mars. It's just a nice nude one. So yeah, I'm gonna get this on also all over my lips. Oh, it's dark. No, it's too dark. I want something more pale. Oh, that's so much better. A pale nude gloss. Yes. This is in the shade Mercury. Sorry, I feel like that sentence got like chopped in half or whatever. I don't know where I started and stopped because I got a phone call from my niece. Love that. So guys, here we have the finished makeup look. I really hope you liked it. As always, actually not always, but this was a fairly easy makeup look to do. It is quite simple, not too technical, and it's a little bit different to what I normally do as well. I don't normally wear like khaki, but it is so complimentary to brown skin, this kind of brown, blondie, caramel-esque hair. It's very complimentary to brown eyes as well, green eyes. I mean, yeah, it's a good look. So I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. I hope you are too. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to be purchasing any of these new Haze palettes. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.